I'm Hannah Bakshi, your host and resident foodie. Come with me. Let's meet our chefs.
Now, since I wasn't sure what this recipe was going to be, I've got some fun things. We're going for the bells and whistles.
Bruce is loud and boisterous.
Dorothy has sworn to secrecy, though. She will not tell you. Wink, wink.
Daddy.
Can't tell.
And Jen, she's a chef and she has a restaurant, and so she has to be very good.
Now this smells awful, but I want you to try it. Isn't that terrible? But it tastes delicious.
As you eat it, you don't understand all the things that are into it. So it's very interesting.
It was very good. I really liked the flavor and the sausage.
Todd is funny. He can be bouncy.
I'm a purist at heart, so I went very traditional. In my memories, I've never had pasta visual that had actual meat in it. So we'll see how it comes out. You'll be the judge of that.
That's right, I will be.